basic training in like 1 week. So yeah, I've been booked and busy. But anyways, I done order me some more hair. So y'all know how I am with these reviews every time I order a wig or whatever. But I ordered this from AliExpress. I don't know the vendor. I'll put all that at the bottom of the screen to let y'all know. But you know, it comes in a regular little finished bag. It's just open. See how it looks, you know what I'm saying? Cause baby, WONDERGIRL. I guess that's the vendor name. I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all know. But the wig is a 26-inch, and I asked for a 180% density. So let's see. Yes, 26 inches was the longest that they had. I wanted 30 to boot, but anyway. Okay. Oh, it come with it, the elastic band. Yes, honey, that's always clutch because we all know we like our wigs tight and right. And this is a hairnet, elastic hairnet. I don't know, I guess you can tie it down with this or something. I don't know. But here's the wig. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it already feel full and thick. Look at this bag. They already knew, like, she got the inches and it's thick, so we got to put this in one of the biggest bags that we have. Oh, I'm going to have to keep that bag. Oh. Yes, hunty. Oh, look at that. Oh. I know I paid $210 for it. I got the highest one, y'all. But look at this. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, I'm about to do some things up in this. Now, let me stop. But here's the wig, 26 inch. Oh, wait. Why I put it right here? I got to start from up here. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna be touching a little bit. Baby finna be set for the week, baby. Yes. When I tell you I like this wig already, I ain't even did nothing to it, but oh, it's so thick. Like WONDERGIRL, you did some wonders with this one, baby. It's so thick and it's like they took their time. Like, look at the front. It's already plucked. Let me see it. But look at it. It's already plucked. I don't even have to, like, it don't even look like a wig. Like, all I need to do is just bleach it a little bit to my skin tone, whatever. I don't know why I just did that either. But anyways. Y'all, I went natural, so all my hair is cut off. But I'm gonna try this on real quick. Let's see how it looks.
I had a wig on. But let's just hope that this don't really shed and don't last me a long time. Not a long time, but you know what I'm saying. When we buy hair, we want it to at least last 4 or 5 months. Unless we pay for it, baby. Okay, let's see.
Oh. Now this is some hair right here. I don't know. Last time I had this much hair on my head. Where my brush at? Look at that. I love this hair already. Well, this wig. I don't know about the hair, but the wig is good. The hair is soft though. It's really soft and like, oh, I'm about to spray this shit. Like, I ain't got no makeup on or nothing. But when I get my clothes and my makeup on, baby, ooh. Look at that. WONDERGIRL, you did this. But let me get the camera so y'all can see up close. Look at that. I just need to bleach this. But it looks so good, y'all. It's so soft and beautiful. Did it shed? Do we see hair? Do we see hair on the floor? I don't see no hair so far. But yes, I can dig this one. I'm gonna have to get a, ooh, probably have to use that cap. You can see that cap through there. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But anyway, this is the wig. I'm obsessed already. But I'm finna dye it and all that good stuff, bleach the knots, whatever. And I'm gonna finish this review probably 3 days from now because I'm not finna do no makeup and I'm not finna glue it on my head. So y'all gonna get that video later on down the road. But I'm gonna add it to this one. But anyway, so far I give it a 5 out of 5. Oh, yes.
That was the company for me.
Do you know how good it feels to only worry about one monthly payment?
Experience the relief of a debt consolidation loan through Avant. Plus, get a free $50 Amazon.
Just so busy. But this hair is so good, y'all. The only thing about it is it sheds. Now, with that being said, our hair sheds. The thing you want to know is how much do it shed? It don't shed that much, but it do shed. But I love this hair, y'all. Like, I had bleached it or whatever so it can blend in with my skin, like the front part. And it came out really cute. Like, I'm obsessed with this wig. Like, it's like one of my favorites now. But as you can see, it pressed out well. It's a straight wig, 26-inch, 180% density, so it's very thick. If you don't like your hair super thick, you don't need to get this 180 density. I would like the 150 density would be like more natural and like not too thick. Like, it'll be just like perfect. Cause like if I order another one, I'm gonna get a 150 density. Cause like this is like super thick. But I love it. But it was $210 because I had a $5 coupon. Cause I'm always ordering from AliExpress. But it's not bad of a price for the wig because the wig is like good quality, and I've had it for like 3 weeks now. So it's still good. It's still doing the same thing. It still look the same. And like, I ain't even washed it or nothing. I basically just, well, I guess it did get washed because when I had bleached the hair, I had to wash it out. But other than that, great wig. Toodles.